Hi, this is Lindsay Felkley, and this is my week 4 interactive journal on multiplication and division lesson analysis. All right, the academic benefits of teaching to big idea. One benefit of teaching to big ideas is that the concepts are much more likely to be remembered and carried through to other lessons. If the students understand why, the why to the problems, they're much more likely to use similar problem solving skills for future problems. What strategies did the teacher use to develop student understanding of the concepts of multiplication and division? One strategy that she used was asking students to verbally explain multiplication and division. She then wrote down student answers on the board. This not only gave students different vocabulary for explaining these concepts, it showed the teacher where the students were at with the concepts. She also drew different pictures and drawings on the board for the math problems, modeling computational strategies for the same problems. What effective engagement strategies were used? One thing that I noticed that she did was she had the students collaborate with other students at their desk and talk about their thoughts on the problems or what answers they got. And this helped them to articulate their thoughts and produce something to share with others. She also had students come up to the board and write their answers on the board. This kept students participating in the lesson. She also used a lot of questioning throughout the lesson that prompted students to respond and think more critically about the problems. She also used a fake student problem to show a different way of looking at the problem, or she used a model of a fake student that she created. And this kept students engaged. If I was to teach this lesson, one thing I would do differently is put a similar problem in the warm-up or as an example before asking the students to solve the word problem. While the students need to use problem-solving skills and try to solve the problem on their own, I think they could have used a little more guidance and probing leading up to the problem. I think more students would have felt confident about their answers. And these are my references. Thank you. Have a good night.